Is your car sputtering, losing power, or just not running like it should? A clogged or failing fuel filter might be the issue. Today, we're covering the symptoms of a bad fuel filter and why it's so important to replace it on time. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us keep bringing you car care videos like this. Symptom 1. Trouble starting the engine. A clogged fuel filter can make it hard for your car to start. If the filter is restricting fuel flow, your engine won't get enough fuel to start up properly. You might notice extended cranking or a complete failure to start. Symptom 2. Engine stalling. Another common sign is random stalling. If the fuel filter is partially blocked, it can interrupt the flow of fuel, especially when you're idling or driving at low speeds. Your engine might shut off without warning. Symptom 3. Poor acceleration or power loss. Does your car hesitate or struggle to accelerate when you hit the gas? A bad fuel filter can cause this by starving the engine of fuel when it needs it most, like when you're merging onto a highway or going uphill. Symptom 4. Reduced fuel efficiency. If your car's engine isn't getting the right amount of fuel, it'll have to work harder, which can lower your gas mileage. So if you're visiting the pump more often, a clogged fuel filter might be part of the problem. Symptom 5. Engine misfires or hesitation. An inconsistent flow of fuel due to a dirty filter can lead to engine misfires or hesitation, especially under load. This can make your car feel jerky or unresponsive. Symptom 6. No start condition. If the filter is completely blocked, it can prevent fuel from reaching the engine altogether, leaving you with a car that cranks but won't start. At this point, the filter has to be replaced. Symptom 7. Check engine light. In modern cars, a clogged fuel filter might trigger the check engine light. Codes related to fuel pressure or lean conditions could point to a restricted filter. A quick scan tool can confirm if that's the issue. What causes fuel filter problems? Over time, dirt, rust, and debris from your fuel tank or bad fuel can clog the filter. If you frequently drive on low fuel, you're also more likely to pick up sediment from the bottom of the tank, which can speed up the clogging process. When to replace the fuel filter? Most manufacturers recommend replacing the fuel filter every 20,000 to 40,000 miles, but this can vary. Check your owner's manual for the exact interval and replace it sooner if you're experiencing any of these symptoms. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.